In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Kajabi community. Whether you're building an online platform to engage with your audience or aiming to cultivate a sense of belonging among your members, Kajabi offers an intuitive way to set up a community space that meets your needs. Let's get started. First, head over to kajabi.com. This is where our journey begins. Kajabi is renowned for being a comprehensive platform for knowledge entrepreneurs, bringing various community building tools under one roof. Once you're on the Kajabi homepage, you'll want to move your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. There you'll find the login button. Click that to proceed. Now go ahead and log in using your credentials. You can choose either your email or your Google account for this step. If you haven't yet set up your account, it's a straightforward process that you can complete from this page. Once logged in, you'll land on your Kajabi dashboard, which serves as the control center for all your community building activities. Next, look for the Products tab. It's typically located on the left-hand side, nestled among other important options. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu where you'll see Community listed as one of the options. Select Community to direct your dashboard to focus specifically on community-related settings and tools. Now you're going to initiate the actual creation of your community by clicking on the New Community button. This will open a new form where you'll provide some basic information about your community. Start by giving your community a distinctive name that reflects its purpose or theme. Make sure it's something that resonates with your intended audience. Along with the name, you'll want to offer a brief description. This is a great opportunity to communicate the value and goals of your community. Don't forget to upload an image that embodies your community's spirit or subject matter. Once you've provided those details, turn your attention to deciding on the access group. This is essentially how you'll control who can join or interact within your community. You have the option to make your initial access group either free or paid. Think carefully about your community's objectives as you make this decision. Proceed to create your first access group. This is a pivotal step as it sets the framework for how members will interact with your community. Give your access group a name that's clear and communicates its level or purpose. Again, you need to decide between a free or a paid setup for this group, which can influence engagement and value perceived by your members. To wrap things up, click Save and Finish. This final action completes the creation of your access group and essentially your initial community structure. Congratulations, you've now set up your very own space for interaction and engagement on Kajabi. I hope this guide helps you successfully launch a thriving Kajabi community. Be sure to explore further customization options once your basic setup is complete. Thanks for watching and happy community building.